What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another tips and tricks video for the PS5, where today I'm going to show you a really important thing that you should do to keep your PlayStation 5 up to date with the latest software and features. If you're watching this video, make sure to leave a like rating for good luck, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is to turn on your PlayStation 5 and navigate to your system settings. In the settings menu, select System, and then go to System Software. With this menu, you can check to see if your PS5 system software is currently up to date. And if you haven't already, I recommend making sure that Download System Update Files and Update System Files Automatically are both enabled on your console. Now, with the latest update, there's also a selection that lets you check for system feature updates. This is actually separate from your PS5 software updates and should be manually checked to ensure that you have the latest system features. Simply click on System Feature Updates and your PS5 is going to manually check itself. Once complete, your PS5 will either let you know that it does in fact have the latest system features, or it's going to prompt you to restart the system and begin a short update. So if you have a PlayStation 5 and you've never checked for system feature updates, I definitely recommend doing it because your PS5 might not be completely up to date until you do this. If you need more information about system software updates, you can also visit the PlayStation 5 user guide directly from the settings menu. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you found it useful or at least interesting, and if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on this video, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.